Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we're here with another lovely prize for you. This is a 1971 Triumph T100C. The C means competition, so it's got some nicer bits or different bits on there. Got these folding footrests, so if you were to do a bit of off-roading and you hit a rock, they would fold up. You've got these twin high-level pipes, which are really nice. I guess again, gives you a bit more ground clearance was the theory. And you've got this smaller headlight, and I think there's a few different internals in the engine as well, maybe higher lift cams. You could probably do a bit of research and tell me a bit more about it than I can off the top of my head. So yeah, really lovely machine, matching numbers, 500cc engine, and you also got this slightly smaller vented twin leading front brake as well, which is nice. So it's a really nice spec machine, and it's lightweight as well, being a 500. So what we'll do now, we'll start her up. You can see it's cold, hence I'm not burning my hand. I'm glad it was cold. We've got the ignition key here, which needs to be on. Got our fuel taps, so I'll turn them both on. One is a reserve tap, which is usually this one. Not quite sure how much fuel there is in there, so I'll turn them both on, and then tickle her up until the fuel drips out the carb. We've got our choke lever up here, which is loose cable choke, which is this way. Now we're all set, ready to give it a kick. It should start. Yeah. So it'll take a little while to warm up. Doesn't take too long though. I've taken it off the choke already. Doesn't seem to need a lot. You can just warm it up on the throttle. So that's just revving up to 2,500–3,000 revs, but it sounds really nice with these twin high level pipes. Can't be the sound of a British twin. All the mod cons as well, some indicators, which is nice. So this one will be drawn on the 6th of April. Tickets are $2.99. You grab them on our website as usual, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. If you do enter, good luck and thank you.